Hello, so in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to connect your JBL Go 3 with your MacBook. Now this is like a MacBook 2018, and what we're gonna go ahead and do is, you see the Bluetooth sign right here, up here? Go ahead and click on that. Now it's not gonna be, there's not gonna be any connection, so you wanna open up your preferences. Now I am going to be turning on the JBL. It'll make that jingle once it's ready. And what you're going to want to do next is immediately press the Bluetooth button right here. And then so it's going to start flashing like this. So once that happens, you'll notice that all of a sudden it popped up. And then just simply go ahead and connect. And you should hear another jingle. There we go. So now it is connected. Now you could go ahead and play music or whatnot. And I just want to let you guys know that every time you sign on, there will be a memory where your MacBook's gonna go ahead and automatically connect it. So if you want to disconnect, that's also quite simple. Just go ahead, go back to your Bluetooth preferences, and then just push that. It asks if you want to remove the JBL Go 3. Press yes. And there we go. So I hope that helps, guys, and then everything works out for you. If you have any questions or comments, please list below. And if this has helped you, it would help if you push that subscribe button and smash that like.